everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Mary Kay palette. It's a limited edition. This one in particular I'm going to show is called Inner Fire eyeshadow palette, and it has 6 sunset inspired shades. So you have Ignited Ivory, Gold Greatness, Fiery Coral, Hot Clay, Radiant Bronze, and Bring It Brown. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you so you could see how they look. So I'm gonna do my arm here. So I'm gonna do the first one. This one's Ignited. Here is Gold Greatness. That's pretty. This one is Fiery Coral. This one is Hot Clay. There we go. This one is Radiant Bronze. And last but not least, Bring It On Brown. And these are the swatches for this palette. They actually had 2. The other one was called Outer Glow eyeshadow palette, and those had 6 sunrise inspired shades as well. I did not get that one, so I'm going to show you the one that I had from a couple years ago, I believe. And this one, move this to the side, very pretty. You can see that it's been well loved. As you can see, I'm almost about to hit pan with that one, but they kind of give the similar vibe of this one, but not quite. So here I'm just going to show you the difference of these. I feel like this one leans a little bit warmer than this one. You let me know what you guys think on that. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch because I thought they were very similar, but when you actually look at the palette, they're not. They're like so let me go ahead. This one was actually called Warm Hues Shadow Palette. This one has called Golden Possibilities. See, it's a lot warmer than this one is. This one is more cool tone. Then you have Bronze Horizon. Yeah, this is definitely warmer. Peach Daydream. I feel like these two is actually similar. I mean, it's almost the same. Actually, I feel like it's a dupe for the same one. Sienna Skies. Yep. Yeah, so they have a similar vibe. Dream Big Brown. But this color, actually I like this brown a little bit better. It's like more reddish undertone to it, which is not bad at all. And then last but not least, Purple Vibes. Yeah. So these are the 2 palette swatch. This is a lot more golden, but it's also a lot more cool tone than this other palette. So if you have this palette, you may want to skip on this one and get the other one that's on their website. But I also felt like that one was leaning more towards this one as well. So it just has a similar vibe. Can you skip on this new palette? More than likely, yes, but obviously it's a great pigmentation. A little goes a long way. It does last all day. If you guys want to see me do a tutorial on this, happy to do so. Just comment below. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see other content similar to this one. Thank you so much and have a great day.